Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for Hopkins County in central Texas, Hunt County in north central Texas, Delta County in central Texas, Van Zandt County in north central Texas, Rains County in north central Texas, until 8 p.m. At 5:02 p.m., Doppler radar and trained weather spotters reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area that was causing flash flooding. Many streams and creeks are overflowing their banks and have begun to flood low-lying areas. Additional flooding in urban areas is also possible. Some locations that will experience flooding include Greenville, Sulphur Springs, Commerce, Kenton, Wills Point, Grand Saline, Van, Cooper, West Tawakoni, Edgewood, Quinlan, Caddo Mills, Emory, East Tawakoni, Cummie, Como, Campbell, Hawk Cove, Fruitville, and Dedham. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.